What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here with something totally different today. I'm here with this box from YumeTwins. It's from Japan. I'm so excited. Look, you guys, who's with me?
Hey, guys.
It's Birdy. Birdy wanted to open this box with me. Let's appreciate the box before we open it up. Look at the plushies. Oh my gosh, you guys, the rainbows. I can't wait to see what sort of kawaii goodness is in this box. Birdy and I have been holding this box for about a week or two now, and we can't wait to see what's inside. We just popped the sticker, so I'm going to let Birdy do the honors. I'm going to let her open the box. And she's rubbing her hands together already. She can't wait, and I can't wait. So you guys, let's see what's in this box. Okay, Birdy, do the honors. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Number one. Aww.
It's so soft.
Is it? It's a Tsum Tsum squishy. We don't have any Tsum Tsum squishies in our collection. Let's smell it.
It actually smells kind of good. What is it, though? It's like wearing a beret or something?
It looks like a little, I can't remember what character that is. It's like a little penguin, I think.
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking on the back. Oh, it says Winnie the Pooh. Based on the Winnie the Pooh works. So, I don't know, you guys. This is, I don't think it's Winnie the Pooh. Maybe it's a character within Winnie the Pooh. But this is a cute little one that Birdy can attach to something if she wants. Maybe. I'm not saying I'm going to give everything in this box to you. But we'll see.
I see something so adorable in the box. See that right there.
Okay.
Save it for last.
I think we need to, like, pull things out. Maybe we need to move the box so we don't ruin it for you guys because, I mean, this is an unboxing. So we're going to move the box to the side and we're just going to show you just one thing at a time.
Next, we have this. It's so cute. Look at all the little drawings and stuff.
So it's just a little cup. Oh, is it a Sanrio? It says licensed by San. Is it glass? Is this glass? No, you guys. I think this is melamine.
And look, inside it has drawings too.
Aww.
It's like little polka dots.
Oh, look at the snail. Super cute. Sumiko Gurashi. Oh, it really does feel like glass, you guys, but I think it's probably like a melamine. It's super cute. I just love all the little faces. Aww. Okay, Birdy, what do we have next? Let's just put here what we have already.
Oh,
look.
It's a spoon.
A super cute spoon. Rilakuma Bakery. 2017. Aww. Super cute. Let's see, what does the packaging look like on the back? 0.1 and 0.2. Is it 2 spoons? No, I think it's just one.
We should open it and see.
Yeah, let's open it. I think Jem's trying to get in.
She is.
Birdy's cat loves everything girly and pretty. You guys, no joke. Like, we'll be painting our nails or we'll be looking through pretty things. And you guys hear, she wants to get in. She wants to be in here during this unboxing.
She always knows where pretty things are.
Yeah, she's like, I want to do girl things. Aww.
Oh, it's like really sturdy.
Ooh. Ooh, I could imagine using this for, like, maybe some noodles or some rice. It feels like glass, but again,
just like this.
Yeah, I
Same
think
material.
It's like, yeah, like the melamine material. Here's the next item, and Mickey and Minnie Tsum Tsum. I think it's a container. You guys, it actually came with a book. So Birdy and I will show you the book for this monthly kawaii box. here at the end so we could tell you guys officially what it is. But I kind of like to do things backwards. I kind of like to look at things in the box and just give you guys my own first impression and what I think it would be used for or what it would be good for. But this is a plastic box, a little container. Yeah. And let's open it up.
I think it's like a snack container or something.
Oh yeah, let's see. It really has a good seal on it. Yeah, it's just a cute little snack container. I could picture putting like grapes in here or nuts in here. I mean, you put the lid on and you think, oh, it's not sealed, but it really seals good. You guys see how it seals really tight on one side. It's definitely not going to fall off.
All right, so we have one more thing before the big surprise. It is a highlighter pen.
Just fit. It looks like it's double-ended, too. Okay, I want to smell it. You guys, I just put on some lotion, so I can't tell you if it's scented or not. We'll just figure that out in the book, but it's a nice green color. One is kind of your standard size, and the other one is a little more fine. Can you guys see that? I think the design is cute with the stripes. I thought it had a little frog on here, but I don't think so. Okay, Birdie is going to take out the last item, what she called the big surprise.
It is the cutest thing ever!
Do I need to zoom out? Let me zoom out a little bit. This is our last item. Let's take it out of the plastic and see what it is. See how soft it is.
It is so soft.
You know what? I could really see Gem stealing this.
She would, and that's why it's hers.
No, it's not. It's not Gem's. Gem, Birdie's cat, loves stuffed animals. She, like, you hear a weird, like, meow, and who is it? Wow. And it's Gem coming down the hall with a stuffed animal in her mouth.
Yeah, she gets them from my bed, and she jumps down, and then she just, like, carries it around the house. Hunting.
Yeah. Yeah. So we have to keep this one from Gem. You guys, we have a little one that we call Fruit Juice, and I currently have it in our linen closet because she keeps stealing it, and it's one of our favorites. It's one of Gator's favorite. Oh, hi, baby. You're so cute. You guys, this little hedgehog is so pettable and so, oh my gosh, so soft. This color is kind of reminding me of Egypt's paws.
It is.
We have a cat, Egypt, you guys, and his fur is just so beautiful and regal and amazing, and it's kind of like this gray with this other, like, undertone underneath.
It's like a black undertone.
Oh, this is so cute. Where's your little eyes? Aww. You guys, this is just so soft and silky and cute. So we're going to open this book officially.
Look, there he is.
Aw, there he is. YumeTwins. It says February 2018, volume 21. You guys, I promise I have not had this since February, but shipping does take a while from Japan, so you guys know how that is. We get a hedgehog plushie. Aww. The first guest to your pretty picnic is this hedgehog kawaii plushie. Now, the theme of this box was pretty picnic.
Oh.
Yeah. And then the Sumiko Gurashi melamine cup. I was right. It was melamine. Hey, you guys, I know my melamines, right? A Sumiko Gurashi cup is the perfect good for a nice outdoor picnic. This cute cup has designs both on the inside and out. This is the first time we've included a cup with both designs inside and out. So we have the cute cup. It looks like they had a variety of cups. And again, this is the one that we got. I love this so much. This would be a cute cup to drink out of, or a super cute pencil cup or toothbrush cup.
Yeah.
I just think it's so pretty and pastel. And then the Kawaii character spoon, which we got. I think
this might be my favorite.
That's your favorite. He has the little toast. Birdie and I were just on Instagram the other day, and she was showing me a bunch of cats. Was it cats or dogs?
No, it was dogs.
A bunch of dogs that had their heads poking through toast. Poking through bread. White bread, I think it was. And it was so adorable. But look at this, you guys. It's so nice. This is the Kawaii character spoon. It says, we'll find one of these super adorbs character spoons. This spoon is a special fusion of a regular spoon and a ramen spoon. I thought this would be perfect for ramen. because you could hold a lot. It has the length and ease of use of a regular spoon paired with the depth of a ramen spoon. You guys, I knew this would be good for noodles. It's so sturdy. It feels so nice to hold. And then over here we have the Disney Tsum Tsum snack container. And Birdie said that she thought that would be perfect for snacks. Here were some other ones that people might have received. I really love the one that we have. I actually have some Tsum Tsum lip balms, both in Mickey and Minnie, that would match this. And then this is a Disney bread squishy. I swear this is the little penguin. I can't remember what his name is. But look, you guys, they had Winnie, Stitch, Minnie, Mike from Monsters, Inc.?
I think, no, Mike has one eye.
Yeah. One of the monsters from Monsters, Inc. here with the 3 eyes. Winnie the Pooh, and I can't think of the one that we have, this cute little penguin. He's super cute. Let's see, he's pretty slow rising. He's a nice handful. It says, double the Disney joy in this Kawaii box. Bread is a great choice to take on a picnic. So you'll find an adorable Disney-themed bread squishy this month. These are incredibly popular in Japan for how squishy they are. Plus, the Kawaii Disney characters don't hurt either. And it says, which character did you find in your box? We found this guy, but we don't know his name.
Yeah.
I swear, you guys, this is the penguin. Let us know down in the comments if you guys know the name of this little penguin. Oh, maybe it's not a penguin after all. And then we have the highlighter, and there were 3 different colors. We got the green. It says to help mark all those snack bags for your pretty picnic, you can find a colorful and cute highlighter in your Kawaii box. Let's see what else the little booklet has. It talks about the melamine cups. You guys, there's Jem again. Jem really wants to come in. Oh. You guys, in Japan, Valentine's Day isn't the same as we celebrate it here in the U.S. Okay, it says Valentine's Day in Japan is very unique when compared to Western cultures throughout the world. In Japan, it's actually the women who give the chocolates to men. There are 2 types of chocolates. Giri means obligation, so this chocolate is given to coworkers, friends, and etc., where no romance is involved. Honmei choco is given to those with a romantic intention. Birdie and I had to give in, and we had to let Jem in because she really wanted to be a part of this YumeTwins box haul. Hi, Jem. Hi, Jem. She's purring. Okay, she's really happy that she's in here now. Now, Jem, let me read. Now, stop knocking the camera, Jem. Okay, so it says here on March 14th, it is White Day in Japan. Honey, get her. She's using the tripod as a scratching post. On March 14th, it is White Day in Japan. This is when it is the man's turn to give presents to the woman. If a man received either a Giri choco or Honmei choco, he is expected to give a present in return. Every month, all our subscribers are automatically entered for a chance to win our Yume prize full of awesome kawaii treasures from Japan. Wow, these are some of the prizes. Look, you guys, all the plushies, the Hello Kitty, everything looks so cute. There's like a little towel or blankie. I'm not sure what that is. It looks really soft, though.
Maybe a rug?
Oh, here it is. It's actually a bath mat. How cute. This book is really cute. It tells you about the box. It tells you about the products and other little contests. So what did you think, Birdie? Do you like this box?
I love it. We have to get more.
You love it?
You should all definitely subscribe to this. Like, this is awesome.
You guys, I'll leave a link down in the description box. Off the top of my head, I want to say, I think it was $30 a month, maybe less. You guys, I'm so sorry. I don't remember the price. Please check down in the description box. It's super cute and fun, and I think the most important thing about subscription boxes and monthly boxes are that you know it's coming, but you don't know what's inside, and all of us love surprises, and all of us need a little surprise, and a little something to look forward to in our life. So you guys definitely check out the link down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with us down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.